Welcome back, guys. So today we're there with the next epic Easter Bun update. So right now I want to know what you are going to big up the Spice Master over the stuff for the vanilla. And this time around I use Guinness instead of Malta, guys. So right now we are going to weigh out the sugar.
Yes, guys.
And we need 8 ounces of sugar, guys. Really? That's a go on? Alright, hold on.
Guys, Chef Reid is so accurate. Look at that. And he wants to get it there, right?
Oh, yes. Little bit over, but that can work.
Yes, guys. This is not too much over. It can work. Alright?
Alright, so guys, we're going to just put the sugar in a stainless pan because we're going to use the wine to mix all the sugar. So we're going to put this aside. Sugar aside.
Yes, guys. And remember, always zero back the scale before you start again, right? 0.
So now, guys, we're going to weigh out flour.
Yes. And all of these will be in the description down below. Alright, guys? Alright.
So now we need 16 ounces of flour, guys.
Which is equivalent to 1 pound. Just a little bit more. Oh yes. We have to take out some, guys. It is way over, so we have to remove some. Just a little bit more. Put in just a little bit more. A little bit more.
Tell you about the scale and guys. I said the digital something here. Don't play with it.
A little bit. Ah, there we go, right?
Alright, so we can work with that.
Yes, guys.
Alright, guys. So right now we are going to sieve the flour immediately. So we're going to move the Malta.
Or Jagan and or vanilla.
Guinness.
Yes, or Guinness, guys. What's wrong with us today, right?
Remove the zero the scale. Turn it off. And take off the top. Put this aside.
Yes, guys. And if you guys know what this is, drop it down in the comment section down below.
Guys, this is a yaba.
Yes.
This is older than even me. This is over 40-year-old.
Traditionally for baking in Jamaica, guys.
I inherited this from my mother, guys. This is from Thing Jamaica Day. So right now, as we tell you guys, we're going to
sieve the flour. Yes, guys. And feel free to try this recipe. Send us pictures, videos, everything in our Instagram. The description is where you'll find all the rest of the ingredients and our Instagram as well. Remember to follow our chef TikTok. We're just going to sieve the flour to remove any lumps. Right? Alright, guys. So when we finish sieving the flour, I'll definitely come back again. So forward. Yes, guys. We're back again.
Alright, so guys, now we're going to add a tablespoon of baking powder. And before we go no further, come take a look at this. Alright, so we have cloves, 1 teaspoon. Bun softener, 1 teaspoon, salt, 1/4 teaspoon, cinnamon powder, a tablespoon, and mixed spice, a tablespoon. So now we're gonna add everything in the sieve.
Look at that color, guys. Look at that shade of brown. You know I'm all for color, right? Yes, looks so great. So I need to sieve, guys.
Good.
That's about it.
So guys, right now we're going to mix everything.
Mix to combine. Get everything incorporated. Get everything together like a family. Yes, guys.
Alright, so this set. Only thing this one now are the wet ingredients.
And
so
we're
right
going
now, I'm going to sort out the sugar with the wine and so forth. So I'm going to set this aside. Soon forward again. Alright guys, so right now we're going to add some llama cherry wine cordial.
Cordial.
You understand?
Wine. Yes, guys.
And we're going to use half cup of wine to the
and here we have our
sugar. Or the 8 ounces of sugar, whichever way you want to start it.
So we're just going to let you guys be able to see. Remember how much you want. half cup. Get down to eye level. Perfect. Coming along with our sugar again.
The reason for me, it was in the wine to mix out the sugar, so it have no lumps, no grain, everything just smooth and refined.
Yes, guys, and doing this at this stage, it helps the process to move faster. Guys, we soon forward. We're gonna catch you guys back again when we finish whisking out this sugar. Soon come. Yes, guys.
So now, guys, we're gonna add the Guinness.
One bottle of Guinness, guys.
Everything.
Yes.
Don't kitty.
Yeah, everything, Chef Reid. And we're going to use
2 tablespoons
vanilla.
Remember the Spice Master. Can find them in a supermarket. Them.
Yeah, wholesale.
Yeah,
everywhere.
Corner shop.
Alright, guys, so this is now ready. We don't want to
whisk.
Yeah.
So right now we are going to move on to beat the beating of the egg and so forth. So forward.
Let's go. Yes, guys, and here we have our egg. So we're just going to add
half teaspoon lime juice.
Yes, guys, and that's just to cut the rawness. If you have lemon zest or lime zest, you can definitely use that as well. So we don't want to overbeat. This is just good enough. So we're just going to start the mixture and the combination of all the ingredients. Let's go.
Yes, guys, so right now we're gonna add a tablespoon of jam.
Yes, guys.
And this time around I use strawberry jam, guys. We're change up the thing a bit. Alright, so now I'm gonna whisk this in.
Yes, guys.
Along with the jam now, I have the butter already melted. You can look at it. Creamy and nice.
Yes, guys.
This is how we want it. We don't want it translucent or transparent to be precise. Yes.
Perfect. Look at that.
Coming together nicely. Alright, guys, now scrape out everything.
Everything, you know, Chef Reid. Nothing nah waste, nothing nah dash way. Everything.
Alright, guys, now for the beaten egg.
Just to wake him up back. All in. Not over mix, but get it all in there. Alright, guys, soon come again. Alright, guys, we're not ready yet. We're just going to add our browning, and it's half tablespoon. Yes, guys, look at that. This is how we want it.
So right now, guys, I'm gonna bring across the yaba. We're gonna clean up over here so first so the yaba can. Yes, right there.
Yes, guys.
So I'm gonna add some raisin in the dry ingredients.
Yes, guys, we didn't want to soak our raisin because we don't want it like that this time around. So we're just going to add some raisin. The purpose of soaking the raisin is to allow the raisin to be, let's say, more fruity and juicier.
And get moist.
Yes.
Alright, this time around, I use dry raisin. So we add it in the dry ingredients. And add it in the flour and stir it up properly so it don't sink to the bottom of the mixture.
Yes, guys. And we're just using about 1 handful of raisin. Not much. We don't want much raisin. 1 handful is enough. Are you seeing any raisin? No, that's how we want it.
Alright, guys, so now we're gonna add the mixture, the wet ingredients. So far, what do we? Watch what I want.
Do this. And we're going to gradually add this in. Look at that. Mix, 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 mix. And guys, this is a 42-ounce bun, right?
And then big bun, the tall ones.
Yeah.
Bread size.
This is smelling so lovely, guys. Oh my god, this is so aromatic.
Like a perfume to the kitchen.
Yes, guys, we're just going to add the rest of the mixture in now. Everything.
Everything. But now it's
not that wet, not at all.
If you know how to do alcohol-free bun,
no problem.
Comment it down below, guys.
And if you guys want to see a fruit cake, we can definitely do that as well. Oh yes. So we're just going to mix everything in and then we'll come back, guys. Soon come. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up the comment section. Soon come. Yes, guys, look at the pan.
Alright, guys, so this pan is a 12 by 4 by 3. So in all, I'm going to get 42 ounces. So right now, we're going to get the mixture in the pan.
Yes, guys, and if you realize, we've greased the pan and we've also lined it with our grease paper just the same.
Or parchment paper.
Whichever way.
Whichever paper you want to call it.
Look at that. Look at that. That's how we want it, guys. Light and fluffy. Look at that. You seeing this? You seeing this, guys?
Look at this. Take a look at this.
Don't let my trini come out. You seeing this, guys? Look at that.
Everything.
Yes, guys, and we're going to place this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and 15 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean, right?
Soon forward.
Yes, guys, and we're going in the oven. Let's go. And remember, we're baking this at 180 degrees and we're going to allow this to bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes or until your skewer comes out clean. So forward. Yes, guys, this is how we are looking and we're going to give it a check. Yes, guys, we know it might not be ready yet because we still have some minutes remaining.
Ready?
Oh yes. Check our next spot. Alright, guys, so we're just going to give it the remaining of the time. 1 hour has already passed. So forward again.
Yes, guys, so right now we are making the glaze. So I'm going to add a spoon of jam.
A toops of sugar. And a toops in our term is just a small amount. But if you want accurate measurement, that's half teaspoon. And we don't want this to be liquidy. We just want it to go down just a little. The jam to be in a liquid form.
Add the water to help make the jam fast and quick, guys. So we're going to make it reduce back to the right texture. And let's reduce the only jam. Quick and fast. Technical. You can add honey if you like honey, guys.
Or if you have honey.
But we use sugar instead.
And if you have simple syrup just the same, you can use that.
That works perfect. Together nicely.
Look at that, guys. Look at that sugar crystals breaking down. Yes, guys, drop it down in the comment section if you've ever made your own Easter bun before or if you've ever done any baking before. So this is what we want, guys, coming together nicely.
And so this ready, guys.
Just gonna use this to glaze up our bun. Let's go. One go. Yes, guys, and we're just glazing. Simple as this. Simple. Look at that sheen, that nice sheen, guys. Not the close place, you know. Some persons might glaze just the top, but if you want to go all around, you can do so. Look at that, beautiful, right? Guys, what are you waiting on? Place your orders. Bro. Alright guys, we're so forward. We're going to catch you guys back again when this is all packaged up. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers. But spam down the comment section. So forward. Yes guys, we are here once again giving it a check. Look at that. Yo. Yes guys.
That's it.
Ready? We're ready. So we're just going to allow this to cool down. So forward again. Next time we are packaging this. Already up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up the comment section. So forward.
Yes guys, so this is the packaging.
Look at that guys.
Get a closer look.
Look at that A&C home style bun.
C&A home style bun guys. Because like something wrong with our eyes.
Yes guys, we don't know what to mean. C&A home style bun, and this is the contact information.
And you can see the YouTube logo.
Yes
the
guys.
YouTube picture, although the picture they change now guys, but you know the chefs go. So you can phone me, call me, place your order now. You know the thing, I'm going to cut in this with some cheese. And I'm going to see what it look like. So it's so forward again.
So forward. So this is how it look when you package it, and we're going to show you the inside. Let's go. Yes guys, look at that. I am so excited for this. Look at that. Bun perfectly done, right? Yes guys. So spam up the comment section and give us your views, your opinions, your thoughts, or whatever it is, and let us know what you think about this video. And remember, place your orders. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?